Let's go to Rancho Santa Fe in San Diego, California to the CARSBECOFFEE. Cars and Coffee. Cars be cool at Cars and Coffee. Good showing here. Count the R8s. 1, 2, 3 is hiding. We'll find it. 3's back there. Beautiful. My favorite turbo, the 996. Love it. I am a big sucker for yellow, as you know, but this is the old gen gated manual R8. Fantastic. This would be so much fun. I don't have to tell if it's the V10 or the V8, but I want one. Even in I think this is a Stingray. I love the C6 so much. That's pretty nice too, though. Oh, let's go over there. Holy shit. Jeez. Look at this. I don't want to get too close, but that's the SLS without the gull wing. Unfortunate. Still a beautiful car though. Ooh, what is coming? Look at here. Again, gated manual. We get one more shot. I wonder if it's a conversion, but man, that is Jesus. Oh, I guess. Evo. Viper always. Love a great Viper. That color just always stands out so much. C Quattro. Cheeky little Black Series. Oh, RSF, you've outdone yourself. Love these two cars. RWB times 2. Crazy. Appreciate the wings. Damn. Geek. The GTS sounds mean. Remember, it's the S, not the GT, because I don't fucking know. I wonder who this is. Got a winner. A little Italian way here. The red. Lord have mercy. It's a mercy. No color on this road at all. Only dark cars. I guess there's some color up here. It's pretty neat looking GT3. That's what I would do if I was in GTA or something. Wow, look at this. .296. Esprit in the Sun. This is the V8. I love these. Oh, let's get to the back. Look at that. This or a Countach? I don't know. Z28 is pretty neat, and this is an SC. So that was Cars and Coffee, Cars Be Cool Coffee at RSF Coffee. I think my favorite car was the RWB with the Macintosh livery, and it was really nice to see the blue 430 in a gated manual, and just seeing like the top specs of certain cars like the ZR1 and the 911 ST. Great show, great.